Good morning to all of you students. Now in activity section, physics practical, in activity section, now today's activity is activity number 3. That is the rolling friction. Aim of this experiment is that to determine force of limiting friction for the rolling or a roller on a horizontal plane. Apparatus: a wheel-based wooden or metal block or trolley, weight box, frictionless pulley, a plain horizontal plane, balance span and a thread. Now see here apparatus of this experiment. This one is the wooden block, this one is the pan, then this one is the thread or the pulley, and this one is the weight box. Now what is the theory? Rolling friction is that of friction which comes into plane when the body is rolling on the surface of the another body. There are three types of friction. First one, static friction, kinetic friction, and third one, rolling friction. In experiment, we already seen about what is the static friction. Now, today's in activity, the rolling friction. What is the meaning of rolling friction? Now, we've seen already that F is directly proportional to L. That is, force of friction is directly proportional to normal reaction. Then Fr, that is the force of rolling friction, is nothing but mu r into L, where mu r is the coefficient of rolling friction, that is the constant. Therefore, mu r is equal to Fr upon W. This one is the formula for of given activities, where mu r is the coefficient of rolling friction, Fr is the magnitude of force of rolling friction, and N is the normal reaction. Then this one is the apparatus setting of that rolling friction. This one is the wooden block with trolley, this one is the thread or the pulley, this one is the pan. Now what is the procedure? Measure wooden block by using balance. This one is the wooden block, measure with that balance. Measure the weight of pan, that is P0, by using balance. This is the weight of pan. Place wooden block on the horizontal plane, the one end of the thread to the block and other to the pan by passing it over the pulley. In this way, see here, place the wooden block on that plane surface, glass surface, then thread with the pulley with the pan. This is the apparatus setting. Now, add the weights in the pan gradually till the roller just start to roll. Note the minimum weight in the pan for which the roller just start rolling. Repeat the experiment by putting weights in the step of 15 grams of the wooden block. In case of each, find the force of limiting friction. Now see observations. What is the observation? First point, weight of empty wooden block roller, that is W0. That is this one, weight of block is 150 gram. Now second observation, weight of empty scale pan, that is the pan 10 gram. By calculated using balance. Now what is the observation table? Now see, mass on block W1 in gram weight. Now this one is the mass when the putting on that block. See here, weight on block, that is the first one 50 gram. See, this one is a 50 gram is putting on that of wooden block. Now see here, 50 on that wooden block. Total load, that is W is equal to W0 plus W1. W0 is the weight of wooden block, that is 150 plus 50 is equal to 200. Now mass in the pan P1 gram weight. Now see here, for the rolling friction, put the mass on that pan where rolling is happen. See here, 20, 20, 40. Now the block is rolling. This one is mass in the pan, 20 plus 20, that is 40 gram. Total effort, that is FR, is equal to P0 plus P1, where P0 is the weight of pan, P1 is the mass in the pan. That is 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. First calculation is mu R is equal to FR upon W, where FR is the 50 divided by W is 200. The equation, the value is come 2.25. This one is the first mu R of that given block. This one is the first reading. Mu R comes 2.25. In each case, repeat this experiment. Putting the weights on that block is 60, 70 and 80. See here, for 60 gram, put on block 50 plus 10, that is 60. And then see here, for this rolling, first putting 20, then again 20, then 10. The block is rolling. Now the second experiment on that second reading, for the weight of mass on weight of block is 60. Therefore 210 total load, mass in pan is the 50. Total effort is 60. Now the second one is 60 upon 210 is equal to 0.28. Now third one. See here, on third reading, mass on that block it will be 70. 50 plus 20. See here, 70. Then for rolling, put the mass on that pan. See, 20 plus 20, that is 60. That is 70 is the total load is 220, mass in pan 60, total effort on that pan is 70. Again 70 divided by 220, the value comes 0.31. In this way, the fourth reading will be mass on block is 80, the total load on that block is 230, mass in pan 70, total effort is 80. Again for calculation is 80 upon 230, the value comes 2.34, where mu r is the constant called as coefficient of rolling friction. In this way, we have to calculate mu r for the reading. First for the 50, 0.25, for 60, 0.28, 70, 0.31 and for 80, 0.34. Now the last column is mean mu r, that is 0.25 plus 0.28 plus 0.31 plus 0.34 divided by 4, the value comes 0.29. This one is the mean reading of mu r, that is the coefficient of rolling friction. Result: coefficient of rolling friction for the given surface mu r is 0.29 equal to 0.3. As the weight of pulley increases, the effort increases. Now while doing this activity rolling friction, there is some precautions. First one, tabletop should be horizontal. Second one, pulley should be frictionless. Third one, weight in the pan should be increased in small steps, that is 10 gram by 10 gram. Then tabletop should be topped gently. In this way, today we completed the activity of rolling friction.